This is the 8200 NFC video. We'd like to show off the rugged design of the handle, the charging, the slot for the dongle. It's magnified. It will hold in place. The device starts at 100%, goes down. It can be charged in here. USB-C from USB or also USB-C potential. Pairing with 2.4 gigahertz wireless for demonstration of function barcoding. Used to keyboard mode notepad. Okay, then we have preset function. Preset 1 is set to high volume, no vibrate. Preset 2 is set to no volume with vibrate only for more demonstrative function. Preset 1, preset 2. For more instructions on this, see the detailed video.